Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit the page layout on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then once you're here, you're going to click on navigation settings. So under the edit the page layout option, you're going to see three options. So basically it's going to change the layout of the app, the lower section of the app. So as you can see, when you click different options such as the markets, feeds, or watch list, either of those three, it's going to change the layout. So you guys can see the change. So this is how you basically do it. It's an important setting. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.